Hey there, it's Haley at Seamwork here with another fun and easy pattern hack. I'm all about pattern hacks because I never like to sew the same thing twice. Hacks help me to change my favorite sewing patterns to create even more variety in my me-made wardrobe. In this hack, I'll show you how to transform a simple skirt into a faux wrap skirt with a curved petal hem. I'll demonstrate using the Seamwork Pauline pattern, but you can just use about any simple woven skirt pattern.